In this video, I'll show you how to manage your contact list in Microsoft Teams so you can easily find, organize, and communicate with the people you work with. Managing your contacts is helpful if you regularly message the same people, work with multiple teams, or want quicker access to important conversations. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and go to the left-hand menu. Click People, then it can show all of your contacts. This is where all your saved contacts and contact groups are stored. From here, you can add new contacts by clicking Add Contact. Search for the person by name or email address, then select them to add them to your list. You can also organize your contacts by creating contact groups. Click Create a new contact group, give the group a name, and then add the people you want in that group. This makes it easier to message specific sets of people, such as a project team or department. To start a conversation, simply click on a contact or a contact group, and a chat will open instantly. You can send messages, start calls, or launch video meetings directly from there. If you want to remove a contact or edit a group, hover over the contact or group name, click the three dots, and choose the appropriate option to edit or delete it. Keeping your contact list organized helps you save time and stay focused when using Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Microsoft Teams tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.